Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this color pencil and review it. Let's open this box. So this is Montmartre skin tone color pencils, 12 shades, and they didn't have mentioned any of numbers for these colors, and I had bought this for 357 rupees in my nearby supermarket. So let's open it. Here it comes. These are quite large pencils than the normal size and looks good, and the build quality is also so good, and it looks so professional, not like the basic pencils. So let's start the drawing and see how this pencil works. Let's start it. I'm drawing an insane person. I don't want to say his name. I think you could know him and you could find out him. Actually, I had drawn for more than 3 hours on this drawing, but I didn't complete half a face also. I just completed the eye part and the nose part. This completed drawing will be out on our channel soon. I don't know the exact date, but it will be out as a time-lapse format. Friends, if you are new to this channel, I am Vishwa and I will draw professional drawings and weekly tutorials for you. Make sure you have been subscribed to this channel. Usually, the high quality color pencils will have its own color value number, but in this pencil they didn't have mentioned any of the color value in packet or in the pencil too. They just mentioned their brand name. So I'm not happy with that, because we want to know the color value number before drawing and professional artwork. And after a long time I am drawing a color pencil portrait, so I had bought this, and from now some of color pencil drawings and tutorials will be coming out in the future. Well, I'm in progress of this drawing. I had been gone live in my Instagram, so if you not yet watched and if you are not yet seen my Instagram profile, just click the link below in description and see it. So while I'm drawing this art, I had felt so happy with this pencil because it is very smooth for shading and I could done the layering easily. But I am not happy with the color range, because the black color is not so dark and the pale orange color looks somehow yellowish. But I'll never recommend this pencil for beginners. If you are a beginner, just try it with the basic stuffs. So you could see this drawing, but it is not so clear because of the camera clarity is not good. But if you are an intermediate, you can buy this pencil and use it because it is so nice. That's it, friends. If you are new to this channel, please see our content. We have a lot of videos to learn and watch. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Lot of videos going to coming out about the drawing materials and other stuffs. Thanks for watching, friends, and these are some of my recommendations to watch. So if you not yet watched it, please watch it and stay tuned, friends.